It's a new city. It's another bus station, and I have just arrived in Santa Fe after a 5-hour bus ride all the way from Córdoba. Cost me 13,400 pesos, and it was a comfortable ride. I have seen so many bus stations over the last couple of months. So why am I here? Well, I wanted a quick break between the next city, which was so far away, and I thought I'd have a look around here. I booked a hostel for one night. I might extend it because I had a quick look on the map and it looks quite biggish. I've just got to work out where I'm going for the hostel. So it's about a 10-minute walk, I'm led to believe. I might have to look at the map, and there's blue skies. So the bus left this morning at 9 o'clock. I hadn't booked a ticket, just turned the station. But to get there, I set my alarm for 7:30, and everybody in the room was asleep. So packing up, of which I did most of it last night, complete darkness with the torch off my phone guiding me the way. So I'm hoping I've got everything. I did a quick sort of check around before I left the room. Because the cafe that was a part of the hostel wasn't quite open, I thought I'd grab something to eat at the bus station, but the Uber was a little bit late, and then trying to find the ticket office was a bit confusing. So just before I got on the bus, I managed to get a sandwich and a coffee to take away onto the bus, and at 2:30 in the afternoon, that's all I've had to eat all day. There was only one stop that I took, or the bus took, and it was a 5-minute stop, so I wasn't able to get off to get any food. So I'm a little bit peckish. Right, where's a seat I can sit down and look at the map? I'm sure if I looked at the map it was that way. So Santa Fe, I believe, is the state capital of the Santa Fe province. It's a big riverside city. Right, tell you what, I'll just go into the shade over here. Just check out if I am actually going the right way or not. Not often my map reading skills are quite good, but this time it is. It's 10 minutes walk down this way. So I think I've got the price of the ticket of the bus wrong. It has actually 15,400, which is quite cheap. And it was quite hard leaving Córdoba this morning that I did joke with the reception girl, saying if there's no tickets, or I've got the times of the bus wrong, or I don't get there in time with the Uber, I'll be back. And a little part of me was going, I hope so, because I really loved Córdoba. So I might be back one day. But with Santa Fe, even the Argentinians in the hostel last night were saying it's not really touristy around here. And these are the sort of places I like. So the hostel itself is in the centre. It has got a free breakfast, even though the reviews for it were saying it's basic. But I don't care. It's free. It's food. I'm going from a major busy city with people trafficked everywhere to this. It's quiet. Ooh. Nearly slipped there. And if this is not a touristy place, why's it got a hostel? But yet, it's a lot different from Córdoba. Oh, so tempted just to nip into the garage there to grab a sandwich. But if the hostel is just down the road here, then there's a chance. I think it has got a cafe attached to it. I think this is just the back streets at the moment. And if you're wondering why I'm walking on the road, it's because this path is a bit slippy. I don't know if it's had some rain lately. It was pouring down last night outside the hostel. A really big storm. And the last thing I want to do is come to Santa Fe and end up in hospital with a broken leg. That's not going to be fun. It's a street and a half away. That's going really quick. Wow, this must be the centre. So the hostel is around here somewhere. And there is a chance I might stay for a second night. Maybe because I've got laundry to do. I've got about a week and a half's worth of stuff that needs cleaning. Right. Somewhere around here. It's called OLO. And it might be. Let's get the map out. Right, just after this crossroads. I mean, first impressions. I mean, there's not a lot to work it on. Bus station was straightforward. It's quiet. It's a very Argentinian city. Random buildings like that. But more importantly, I am in the centre. Don't have to worry about walking too far. I think the river's down that way. And this is where the hostel is. Somewhere. I am a bit confused because 2780 is the number. The OLO hostel there. Oh. LOL. Oh. I've now checked in and I've come to the rooftop area. It's perfect for a night time, I guess. The view of Santa Fe from here, beautiful. There's a garden down there, is that part of the hostel? So they weren't expecting me. They looked a bit surprised. It's a new hostel. As you walk in downstairs, they are busy painting. There's no reception area. I've just got shown my room. It's not quite set up. There's someone dumped all their stuff on the bed, and she went, "Oh, we'll get it tidied up, ready for you." I'm not too sure if I'm staying or not. She seems really, really friendly. I don't know, but I might as well show you around the place. So this is £13 a night. It's on booking.com. I don't think they're on anything else. It feels like an old house. And I think she said she'd been here a month. So I've just dumped all my stuff down there. So currently that is just the reception area. Bless. Yeah, downstairs is where they're doing all the painting. The room itself is basic. There is someone in there sleeping. But I guess it'll do for a night, maybe 2 nights, see how it goes. But my first priority now is to go out and find a cafe. I need a coffee. I need some sort of substance in my body. But we'll see how long I stay for. But that was a quick look into Santa Fe. It looks okay. I will go out and investigate, explore and see what is in this city. But if you've enjoyed it, then all you've got to do is press that like button. If you want to see what Santa Fe is like, then you need to subscribe, you need to watch, you need to share, you need to hype, you need to do everything you can to get me getting bigger. But until the next time, food time, bye bye for now.